Imagine a world where the lush green canopies of the Amazon no longer teem with life, where the coral reefs are silent, bereft of their colorful denizens. Our planet's natural habitats are in peril, and their preservation is imperative, not just for the flora and fauna that call them home, but for humanity itself. Each ecosystem plays a critical role in the delicate balance of nature. Forests act as the Earth's lungs, purifying the air we breathe, while oceans regulate the climate. The loss of these habitats leads to the extinction of species, each a thread in the intricate web of life. Once gone, these threads cannot be rewoven. As inheritors of the Earth, the onus is on us, the educated youth, to be the vanguards of conservation. Simple actions like supporting sustainable products and reducing waste contribute to a larger collective effort. In safeguarding nature's sanctuaries, we secure the future for generations to come. Embracing cultural diversity is integral to enriching our university experience. It cultivates an environment where learning extends beyond textbooks, into the realms of personal interactions and shared experiences. This diversity introduces a multitude of perspectives, challenging us to think critically and broaden our understanding of the world. Engaging with ideas that differ from our own fosters innovation and problem-solving. For instance, group projects benefiting from diverse viewpoints often yield more creative solutions. Additionally, cultural diversity on campus prepares us for the global workforce. As the business world becomes increasingly interconnected, cultural competence is not just an asset but a necessity. It enables us to navigate cross-cultural communications and collaborations effectively. In conclusion, cultural diversity is not just about coexistence but about the synergetic fusion of ideas that prepare us for life beyond university walls.
Today, let's turn our focus to the bedrock of collaborative success, teamwork. In the realm of education, it's teamwork that often propels us from the theoretical to the practical, from individual knowledge to collective wisdom. Engaging in teamwork enhances our learning experiences. It encourages the exchange of ideas, allowing us to gain multiple perspectives on a single topic. Research from educational psychology suggests that students who study in groups tend to develop stronger communication skills and understand material more deeply than those who work alone. Teamwork also mirrors the realities of the professional world. Rarely do we see isolated efforts in workplaces. Instead, it's the synergy of a team that drives innovation and success. By mastering the art of collaboration now, we are setting ourselves up for future triumphs in whatever careers we choose to pursue. As we continue on our academic journey, let's embrace every opportunity to join forces with our peers. Together, we are stronger, wiser, and more capable than we could ever be alone. In the panorama of skills vital for success, emotional intelligence shines prominently. It's the ability to be aware of, control, and express our emotions judiciously and empathetically that marks our path, not just through academia, but through life. Emotional intelligence is crucial in developing robust relationships, both personal and professional. It equips us with the sensitivity to navigate social complexities, leading to more fruitful collaborations and deeper connections. Studies in organizational behavior find that teams with high emotional intelligence have increased effectiveness, higher job satisfaction, and better outcomes. Beyond interaction, emotional intelligence is integral to self-awareness. It allows us to reflect, understand our strengths and weaknesses, and pursue personal growth. This introspective aspect is not only a cornerstone for mental well-being but also a catalyst for academic and career success. As we march towards our future, let's invest in our emotional intelligence. It is this investment that will yield dividends in all facets of our lives, forging paths to leadership and fulfillment. Financial literacy is a vital skill that empowers us to make wise decisions with our money, crucial for our time in college and beyond. It is the compass that guides us through a sea of financial decisions, from student loans to budgeting for daily expenses. Firstly, understanding the basics of budgeting can prevent the common pitfall of overspending. It teaches us to differentiate between wants and needs, ensuring that our financial resources support our academic goals and well-being. A study by the National Financial Educators Council highlighted that college students who adhere to a budget experience less financial stress. Secondly, knowledge of saving and investing places us on the path to long-term security. By grasping the power of compound interest and the importance of saving early, we can plan for future goals, such as further education or starting a business. In conclusion, financial literacy is not just about numbers, it's about making informed choices that pave the way for a secure and prosperous future.